Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of YouTube not showing comments on your Android device. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Update your app. First, open the Google Play Store and search for YouTube. Next to the app, you'll see either an Update or Open button. If it says Update, tap it to install the latest version. Keeping your app updated usually fixes bugs and performance issues. Step 2. Verify your Google account. Open the YouTube app and check that you're signed into your Google account. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner to confirm. Being logged in is essential because comments might not appear if you're not signed in. Step 3. Disable restricted mode. Scroll down in the YouTube app to find the settings menu. Once there, locate the restricted mode option, which hides mature content and comments, and toggle it off. Step 4. Clear the app cache. If the comments still don't show up, try clearing the cache. On your Android device, go to Settings, Apps, YouTube, Storage, and tap on Clear Cache. This will reset temporary files without affecting your personal data, often resolving display issues. I hope one of these solutions helps you get your comments back. If it did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.